see, the 61 F100 unibody turned out pretty sweet. Let me show you what we did to button this thing up.
To get things started, let's shine a little bit of light on the situation. With the install of the new American Autowire upgrade kit, we actually have lights inside now. The Forever Sharp steering wheel, combination with the tilt column, and the freshly stitched covered seat with that Tennessee orange. Look at that Ford F100 logo. Looks gorgeous. Custom cup holders molded into the center of the bench seat, and as you can see, they've added some bolster to the sides to make it a little more comfortable while you're cruising around. Then we move over to the bed of the truck. You can see we do have a flush mount fuel filler mounted in the bed, and we also have a hidden battery box disguised as a toolbox. We can take a look over to the interior in the daylight. Everything looks gorgeous. This seat really is gorgeous. Everybody that looks at it wants to sit in it and try it out. Turned out really nice. We can look at these wheels and tires. The ride height of the truck is great. The wheel and tire combination is great. This is a really nice looking stance on this truck. Take a little peek under the hood. Thomas did an awesome job with the wiring. Everything is super nice and tidy and clean. The power steering makes this so easy to drive. And the Mustang 2 front suspension, it's like a whole different world when it comes to the handling and the comfort too. You don't have this big clunky straight axle front end bumping you around everywhere. This thing looks great.
That is going to wrap it up on Tom's 1961 F100 unibody truck. These were some really cool upgrades. Tom, the owner, already had a vision on what he wanted the truck to look like and how he wanted it to sit, and we just helped him put the pieces together. It turned out really well. Tom that works here did a fantastic job, really clean, nice work, super happy with everything on it. And if you have any questions about any of the parts that we use, the tools or equipment that we use, please feel free to drop a comment below. I always try my best to respond. I'm not great at it, but I try. So leave a comment anyway, and hopefully I can get back to you. And until next time, happy hot rodding.